Good morning, children. Welcome to Mahila Samaja Digital Online Classes. Myself Deepa, your social science facilitator. Today, let us study about Karnataka State Board Class 6 Social Science R Karnataka Bengaluru Division Part 4. Dear children, as we all know that Bengaluru Division comprises of 9 districts. They are Bengaluru Urban, Bengaluru Rural, Ramanagara, Chikkaballapura, Kolar, Tumkuru, Chitradurga, Davangere, Shivamogga. So children, in our previous classes, we had studied about Bengaluru Urban, Bengaluru Rural, Ramanagara, Chikkaballapura, Kolar district. Today, let us know much about Tumkuru district, Chitradurga, Tumkuru district, Chitradurga, Davangere and Shivamogga. Okay children, let us start with Tumkuru district. Tumkuru district. Tumkuru district was formed in the year 1832. It is well known for its coconut. So, it is one of the largest districts of our state. So, Tumkuru district was formed in the year 1832 and it is well known for coconut, andre tenginkai. One of the largest district of our state. It comprises of 10 taluks. So, it has 10 taluks. Let us know. Koratagere, Gubbi, Chikkanayakkanahalli, Pavagada, Kunigar, Turuvekere, Tiptur, Madhugiri, Sira, Tumkur. So, these are the 10 taluks of Tumkuru district. Children, once again I repeat. Koratagere, Gubbi, Chikkanayakkanahalli, Pavagada, Kunigar, Turuvekere, Tiptur, Madhugiri, Sira, Tumkur. So these are the 10 taluks of Tumkuru district. So here you can find many forts which are built by Palegars. So children, you know who is Palegar? Palegara andre Nayaka alva nimge gottide. So Palegars built many forts. Forts antandre enu kote. So they are in Madhugiri, Midigeshi, Nidugal, Devarayana Durga, Uliyuru Durga and Sera. So here you can find forts. So children, look at the picture. This is Midigeshi fort. Madhugiri. So Madhugiri, one of the famous is, it is a monolithic hill which is only one in Asia. So monolithic ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಏಕಶಿಲಾ ಬೆಟ್ಟ. ಏಕಶಿಲಾ ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ರಾಕ್ ಇಂದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತ ಬೆಟ್ಟ. So which is famous, which is only one in Asia. So Madhugiri hill. Okay, it is also called as Ekashila Betta. This is ದೇವರಾಯನ ದುರ್ಗ. ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇದೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಕೋಟೆ. ಹುಲಿಯೂರು ದುರ್ಗ. ಸಿರಾ. So these are the forts. Now let us know much about education. So Tumkuru means it is famous for education. So the district is known for its educational institutions. Free education and boarding facilities are given to thousands of students at Siddhaganga Mutt under the leadership of Sri Shivakumara Swamiji. So ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಇದೆ ಸಿದ್ಧಗಂಗಾ ಮಠದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಫ್ರೀ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ thousands of students are getting free education and boarding facilities at Siddhaganga Mutt. You can look at the picture, children. This is the Siddhaganga Mutt. Another important educational institution is Siddhartha Educational Society. So this is Siddhartha Education Society. And here you can find a unique horse breeding station which is present in Kunigal. So ನೋಡಿ ಇದೊಂಥರ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಯೂನಿಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಈ ಹಾರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಕುಣಿಗಲ್. So this district is becoming an important industrial center of the state. So now let us study about the famous places of Tumkur. Which are the famous places of Tumkur? Devarayana Durga is a famous place. So we can see the picture, children. This is Devarayana Durga. And then Lakshmi Temple of Goravanahalli at Korategere Taluk is a famous temple. Goravanahalli Lakshmi Temple. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So there is a famous folk song. ಒಂದು ಜನಪದ ಗೀತೆಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾವ ಇದರ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಕುಣಿಗಲ್. ಕುಣಿಗಲ್ಲಿನ ಒಂದು ಇದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಜನಪದ ಗೀತೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳೇ ಇರ್ತೀರ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಮೂಡಲ್ ಕುಣಿಗಲ್ ಕೆರೆ ನೋಡೋರ್ಗೊಂದ್ವೈಭೋಗ ಮೂಡಿ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಚಂದಿರಾಮ ತಾನಂದ ನೋಯ್ ಮೂಡಿ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಚಂದಿರಾಮ. ಕೇಳಿದಿರಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಇದು ಜನಪದ ಗೀತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಜನಪದ ಗೀತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಕುಣಿಗಲ್ಲಿನ ಕೆರೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಜನಪದ ಗೀತೆಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So this is about Tumkuru district. Now let us move on to Chitradurga district. So Chitradurga ಅಂತ ಅಂದಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಮಗೆ ನೆನಪಾಗೋದೇನು? ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತ 7 ಸುತ್ತಿನ ಕೋಟೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? It is famous for its gigantic 7-ringed fort. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 7 ಸುತ್ತಿನ ಕೋಟೆ. ಸೊ ಆ 7 ಸುತ್ತಿನ ಕೋಟೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ತಾಲೂಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಚಿತ್ರದುರ್ಗ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್. ಚಿತ್ರದುರ್ಗ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ತಾಲೂಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಚಿತ್ರದುರ್ಗ, ಹಿರಿಯೂರು, ಚಳ್ಳಕೆರೆ, ಹೊಸದುರ್ಗ, ಹೊಳಲ್ಕೆರೆ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೊಳಕಾಲ್ಮೂರು. ಸೊ ಮೊಳಕಾಲ್ಮೂರು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸ್ಯಾರೀಸ್. Now let us study some of the historical figures. ಸೊ ಚಿತ್ರದುರ್ಗ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೇನೆ ಅದೊಂಥರ ಐತಿಹಾಸಿಕ ಸ್ಥಳ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಲ್ವಾ. This district is known for its ಪಾಳೆಗಾರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಪಾಳೆಗಾರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾಯಕಾಸ್. So one of the famous ಪಾಳೆಗಾರ್ is ಮದಕರಿ ನಾಯಕ. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಮದಕರಿ ನಾಯಕ ಅಂತ ಹೆಸರು ಕೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣನೇ ನಮ್ಗೆ ನೆನಪಾಗೋದೇನು? ಮದಕರಿ ನಾಯಕನ ಶಿಸ್ತು ಅಂತ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮದಕರಿ ನಾಯಕ is well known for discipline. And one more great personality is Vanake Obava. So you would have studied or you would have seen the movie about Vanake Obava. And one of the famous song also in Nagarahavu film, Dr. Vishnuvardhan sir has acted. So in that movie also you can see a song regarding the Vanake Obava. Some of the other well-known personalities are, yes, Nijulingappa, Malladihalli Raghavendra Swami, Talukina Venkannaya. Look at the picture, children. Tarasu is a famous writer. And then Sri Shivamurti Muruga Sharanaru. Parala Babu Swamiji. Kavira Nandashrama Shivalinga Nanda Swami and Jagalur Imam Saab are the few well-known personalities who belong to Chitradurga district. So they all contributed a lot for the Chitradurga district. So now study about Davangere district. So Davangere district was formed by dividing Chitradurga in 1997. So a few parts of Shivamogga and Harapanahalli of Ballari district were added to the newly formed district of Davangere. So a few parts of the Shivamogga and Harapanahalli of Ballari district were added to the Davangere. Now let us the famous places. So before that, let us know about the taluks. So it has 6 taluks: Harihara, Harapanahalli, Channagiri, Honnalli, Jaglur and Davangere. So these are the 6 taluks of Davangere district, and it is also known as the Manchester of Karnataka. Okay children. So during 1960s, it was famous for textile production, but due to lack of raw cotton, the mills have been shut down. So Davangere antandrene cotton mills nalli ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇತ್ತು, but due to the lack of cotton, it has been shut down, and there are many sugar factories operating here. So and then hundreds of food processing units and are working in this district. Okay children. So it also made name as an important educational center. One of the well-known education center antandre Bapuji Education Institution is here. So famous places antandre the biggest lake in South India, that is Shanti Sagar, is in Channagiri. It has a circumference of 64 kilometers. So this is the famous and the biggest lake in South India, Shanti Sagar. Look at the picture children. Apart from that, you can see Harihareshwara temple, which is from the Hoysala period, is also found in Harihara. It is also one of the famous temple, Harihareshwara temple, which was built during the Hoysala rule. So now let us know about the Shivamogga district. So children, if you hear the name Shivamogga, ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ನೆನಪಾಗುವಂಥದ್ದು ಯಾವುದು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಟೂರಿಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ನೆನಪು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಫಾಲ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಜೋಗ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್, isn't it? So Shivamogga district, see, look at the map. It comprises of 6 taluks. ಯಾವ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತೀರ್ಥಹಳ್ಳಿ, ಸಾಗರ, ಸೋರಬ, ಭದ್ರಾವತಿ, Shivamogga, see Bhadravati, Shivamogga, Shikaripura and Hosanagara. So children, once again I repeat, observe the map carefully children. It comprises of 6 taluk: Tirthahalli, Sakara, Soraba, Bhadravati, Shivamogga, Shikaripura and Hosanagara. These are the 6 taluk of Shivamogga district. So Shivamogga is one of the famous district of Karnataka. It is well known for its scenic beauty. Scenic beauty ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಈಗ ನೀವಿಲ್ಲೇ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it has a beautiful greenery. Isn't it children? ಇದು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೇನೆ ನಮಗೆ ಆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಆಸೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So this is called the scenic beauty. Okay. So as I already showed you in the map, it has a 6 taluk. Tirthahalli, Sagara, Soraba, Bhadravati, Shivamogga, Shikaripura and Hosanagara. Shivamogga is also called the rice granary of Karnataka. Now let us learn about the rivers. Tungabhadra, Sharavati, Varada and Mudavati rivers flow in this region. Shankaraghatta is the home to Kuvempu University. So this is one of the Kuvempu University, educational institution, that is university. Kuppandi is the birthplace of Kuvempu. It is in Tirthahalli. Nodi idu Kuvempu avara mane. This is the birthplace of Kuvempu. It is now growing as a tourist center. Bhadravati is growing as an industrial hub. So you can find many industries in Bhadravati, like iron and steel industry and different industries. And hydroelectric projects that provide most of the electricity needs of the state. So hydroelectric projects such as the Sharavati hydroelectric project and Varahi hydroelectric project you can find. So it provides the electricity needs. Now let us know about the history of Shivamogga. So it was founded by Keladi rulers. So even today you can find archaeological museum at Keladi. So the name Shivamogga is due to the face resembling the Lord Shiva. So here you can observe children, Shiva Mogga, Shivana Mogga, andre Shiva Mogga. So it is a face resembling Lord Shiva. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಸರು ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So as we discussed earlier, Jog Falls. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಜೋಗ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಗಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬನ್ನಿ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಫಾಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಜೋಗ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ದಿ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟರ್ಫಾಲ್ ಇನ್ ಏಷ್ಯಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಹೌ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್, isn't it? And you can find bird sanctuary in Gudavi and Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary. So here wildlife sanctuaries you can find, and then bird sanctuaries also you can find. Apart from that, Agumbe of Tirthahalli Taluk, which receives the highest rainfall. Okay children, see Agumbe. ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Very beautiful place. And famous temples of Balikavi are Tripuranatheshwara. This is Tripuranatheshwara temple. Look at the picture children. And then the Kedareshwara temple. Nodi Kedareshwara temple. How nice it is. Alva? Belagavi are famous here. Famous temples. Keladi rulers Shivappa Nayaka has built a beautiful palace in Keladi. Okay, this is the Keladi palace which is built by the Keladi ruler Shivappa Nayaka. ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಪ್ಯಾಲೇಸ್. And then now let us learn about some of the famous personalities. Kuvempu. As you learned earlier, ಕುವೆಂಪು ಅವರ ಜನ್ಮಸ್ಥಳನೇ ತೀರ್ಥಹಳ್ಳಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ತೀರ್ಥಹಳ್ಳಿ ತಾಲೂಕಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು. Dr. U.R. Anantamurthy. They both are the recipients of the prestigious Jnanapita Award. So ಅವರಿಬ್ರುನುವೆ ತೀರ್ಥಹಳ್ಳಿ ತಾಲೂಕಿನವರೇ. ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ತೀರ್ಥಹಳ್ಳಿ ತಾಲೂಕ್. ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ವಿನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಂಗರ್ ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗ ಸುಬ್ಬಣ್ಣ. ಇವರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಸಿಂಗರ್, ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ this children, we come to an end about the Bengaluru division. Hope you understood the video. Now let us look into the home assignment. I have given you simple question, children. How many districts are there in Bengaluru division? In which district you find famous Jog Falls? Okay, Jog Falls ಯಾವ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೋಟಲಿ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್? ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಇದೆ, 9 districts are there. You should write the name. Okay, so in our next class let us study about the new chapter. Till then, stay home, stay safe, have a great day, children. Thank you.